Hello, glad to welcome you to the 3-day weather forecast from NIMET. I am Linda Chinonso, Nwachukwu. We begin with significant improvement in the horizontal visibility across the country. Recent observations indicate no dust suspension in the atmosphere, and the likelihood of fresh dust plume advecting into the country in the next 3 days remains very slim. Despite this, dry northeasterly winds continue to dominate inflow from the northern corridors into the country, maintaining a typical dry season characteristics over most parts. Daytime temperatures are expected to remain very high, while the early morning and night temperatures are expected to significantly drop, maintaining a cool and sometimes hazy down conditions. And so for Wednesday's forecast, we expect sunny conditions to dominate most parts of the northern region. We although expect possibilities of hazy conditions prevailing around parts of Niger, Kebbi, Jigawa, and Taraba states. To the north-central region, we expect patches of cloud with intervals of sunshine, while the southern region should expect cloudy mornings with prospects of isolated thunderstorms and light rains in the afternoon and evening hours over some parts of southern Ondo, Ogun, Delta, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Rivers, Bayelsa, and Lagos states. Temperatures are expected to peak at 39 degrees Celsius in parts of Sokoto state. We expect the remaining parts of the north-central and the northern region to have temperatures in their mid to upper 30s, while temperatures around the southern region should remain in low 30s. The air quality is expected to be unhealthy over the areas marked in red, while the areas in orange are expected to maintain unhealthy air for sensitive groups. Moderate air quality are expected to dominate the areas marked in yellow. By Thursday, we expect stable visibility with no significant dust intrusion as sunny spells remain the prevailing weather across most parts of the north and the north-central region, although we expect occasional patches of cloud around the north-central region. Down the south, we still expect cloudy skies with prospects of afternoon and evening thunderstorms and light rains, especially to parts of southern Ondo, Ogun, Delta, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Rivers, and Lagos states. Temperatures are still expected to remain high, especially to the northern parts of the country, while the north-central region should have maximum temperatures in their mid-30s, and some of them as high as 36 degrees Celsius, especially to parts of the Federal Capital Territory. Parts of Yelwa is also expected to have temperature as high as 36 degrees Celsius. We expect 37 degrees Celsius to parts of Taraba. Down the south, temperatures are expected to range between 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. For the air quality index, we still expect some parts of the north to maintain unhealthy air in circulation. That's the area marked in red, while the areas in orange are unhealthy air for sensitive groups. To the areas in yellow, we still expect moderate air quality in circulation. As we move into Friday, we still expect a very stable atmosphere from the north down to the southern region, as no significant weather is expected, with clear skies and sunny conditions dominating the northern region. To the north-central region, we expect few patches of cloud, while the south should be predominantly cloudy. Temperature variations are expected to exist between the daytime and the nighttime, and so we expect that you clothe yourself appropriately and avoid unnecessary exposure to direct sunlight. For the air quality, we still expect unhealthy air for sensitive groups, especially to most parts of the northern region, while parts of the south should have moderate air quality. And so please stay cautious as we watch the days ahead. And that's where we draw the curtain on the 3-day weather forecast. Thank you and bye for now.